Okay, so today we're going to head to the range. We're going to be shooting a Glock 22 and a Glock 23. The difference is today we're going to be doing a Lonewolf conversion barrel. Let me just get this out up here. This is the light that is on the gun right now. It's a Zephos. I think that's how you pronounce it. I can never pronounce it correctly. Blackhawk, I got to tell you, it's an awesome light. Okay, here is the Lonewolf conversion barrel, 40-9. 2 guns in one. I can't wait to try this, honestly. This is a 229th or 229th. It is the threaded version, which that's obviously the thread protector. Okay, I do want to go through everything I have in this. I have not done a video on my Glock or my tool, because that's all they are. They're just like hammers, they're just tools. Okay, so 2 mags, Blackhawk holster. We did a review on this, although I want to say over a year ago, but it's been a while, on Tactical Christian. Yep, The Tactical Christian is a YouTube channel. This is Emma's Glock 23. We'll be shooting that today. I don't know if she'll be in the video or not. We'll see about that. Here's the 2 mags for her. And of course, the ammunition that we'll be using today is MagTech. I got this off of Midway USA. I got a really good deal on a lot of the ammo there, as well as this. I came from Walmart, sorry. This is 124 grain, which is what they at Lonewolf recommend when you first try it, is shoot about 150 rounds of 9mm, and then of course 40 S&W. Alright, so let's go through the Glock 22, or my Glock 22, and everything I've got in it. First off, just to show you, the gun is cleared. There is nothing inside of it, nor is there anything in the bottom. So that safety first. First off too, this is jutting out because I have to pound, because this is stainless steel, I have to pound it out. It doesn't come out too well. It does stay in there very well though. So that's already done, but that's just why, so it's not like it's in error or something. First off, let's go through the back plate here. This is a custom back plate. It's Psalm 144 verse 1. It's one of my favorite Bible verses. And then this is True Dot night sights, which I got them off of eBay, and they were used for about 70 or 80 bucks, and it works just fine, believe me. Okay, let's go through the spring. This is a stainless steel spring. It's 15 pounds, which is different from the standard that goes with the Glock 22, which is a 17 pound. This is more for less recoil, and it's also basically, that's what I was told to do with Lonewolf, but I had that way before anyways. This is the standard Glock barrel. As you can tell, this is very old, and, well, not very old, but pretty worn down. It's been shot quite a bit. Still runs fine. Alright, let me go through the interiors of this little bad puppy here. Let me get this out first. Now, I don't have any Glock tools, so you'll have to forgive me. Okay, this firing pin is standard except for one thing, and I'm going to try and show you. I've got a lot of oil all over it because it's ready to go shoot. I wasn't exactly planning on doing this, but I figured I might as well. If you'll notice, those, you see how they're kind of in a cross shape? I might take them off, but I don't really want to because it's a pain getting them back on. Those are actually the maritime underwater springs. Let me show you the standard springs. I happen to have those. Alright, so this is the standard. Oh man, my hands are too oily to take it out. Oh, here, let me try and show you. These are the standard spring cups for the firing pin. These are the upgraded model. If you can tell, there's a little bit of a difference. I don't know if you can on camera or not, but I can definitely tell there's a, there you go, right there. You should be able to see it now. See the difference? So that way water can pass through it. And of course, these are Ghost. I have a ton of Ghost stuff in here. Let me pull out the plunger, which is standard. All the rest of it in here is standard. Pop this out. There's that. Get this bad little boy out. Hang on. I had trouble with this yesterday. Come on. Well, anyways, it's fine. There's nothing else into it, or nothing else about it. It's just the normal. Okay, let's go through this here. Alright, there we go. There's one. Alright. There we go. See, as you can tell, it's a different that's an upgraded one. Pull out that. This is the same. This is the original mag release. Alright, pop that one out. Come on. There we go, there's that. Oh, the last one I almost forgot. And I don't have a Glock tool, I think I said that earlier, but this is just a multi-fun tool. This last little piece here. This bad little boy coming right out too. there's that. And grab this real quick. This is all obviously just the same and standard. But what is special is the trigger itself. And that's kind of what I wanted to show you. This right here, pull this out. You gotta be gentle. Hang on. Come on, there we go. Alright, if you can read right there, it says Ghost. This is all basically the Ghost upgrade to a trigger. It's a 2.5 pound trigger, I want to say. I can't exactly remember what it is. I'll have to look it up when I put down this and tell you the exact amount of what I've got. But this, I'll tell you what, this is a hell of an upgrade. The trigger's not squishy at all anymore. It's completely crisp. It's beautiful. And as you can, there's a ton of oil on this because I had to pound this out, so I apologize. It wouldn't come out at all. So anyways, that is the interiors of this Glock. Other than that, let's get started shooting, huh? Okay, so let's install our barrel. I'm going to show you how easy this is. It's insanely easy. First off, take off your thread protector if you have one. If you don't, well, this part doesn't apply to you. So let me just unroll that thing there. First of all, the gun is still clear. Pop this off here, just like this. Throw that out. I don't need it. Yes, you do. Throw that back in, and you just simply install it that way if I don't get it stuck. There we go. Okay. Now, as for if you wanted to put this into a Glock 23 to change out the barrel or something, it's not going to work. But there you go. Check that out, and then obviously you can just scroll that. Scroll. I don't know why I keep saying that. Screw that back on. There we go. That's the right word, isn't it? There you go. So obviously, when we're doing the shooting, you're going to notice a difference in the gun. I'll announce that I'm shooting out of 40, which means I'll be shooting out of this one. But if I don't say it, or if you don't hear it, or whatever, or you skip the video, when this part's on, that's when I've switched to the 9mm. Okay, let's go. This is 40 caliber. Ready for the new barrel? Go. Conversion. You want to try this? Just once? this on your arm.
No,
That's good enough. No? Okay. All right, I'm going, okay? That's all I got.